Another type of extension you might want to consider using is the Insert Flash HTML extension. And this is an extension you can add to Dreamweaver. Let's go back into Flash for a moment. And you'll notice I have a slideshow here that's already created. I'd like to take this file within Flash, publish it, and publish it from Flash with HTML settings. Once I publish this from Flash, I'll use the Insert Flash HTML extension in Dreamweaver to insert not only the Flash movie, but all the HTML that we're going to export from Flash right now. So if I go into the File menu in Flash, and I choose Publish Settings, this is what you use to publish your Flash movie. Get it ready for the web. Now you'll notice I have different tabs here that I can choose from. Based on what I have selected in the Formats tab, I'll have different options available at the top of my Publish Settings screen. Well, by default, the Flash, SWF, and HTML formats are chosen for us. I'll take us to the HTML setting, and here's where and how we can publish our Flash movie onto an HTML page. We can choose what's called a template right from the HTML settings window. These are simply pre-designed HTML pages that have JavaScripts on them. And some of these pages also just simply have HTML code on them. And we can use them to embed our Flash movie onto an HTML document. I'm going to go with the default Flash-only template. What this template will do is it will add what's called the object and the embed HTML tags to save this Flash movie on an HTML page. Now, if you're not sure what a template does, you can click the Info button, and it will always tell you here exactly what the template will create. Once we've chosen the template, you'll notice we have other HTML settings we can choose from here also. This has to do with the appearance of our Flash movie and the playback quality of our Flash movie. Once we've chosen these settings, we can go ahead and click Publish, and keep in mind wherever you've saved the FLA version of your Flash movie. The FLA version of your movie is the master format for your Flash movie. Wherever you've saved it, that's where your SWF and your HTML published movie will now appear in the same directory. So keep that in mind when you choose Publish Settings. Once I publish this and I click OK, now I'll take us back to Dreamweaver.